Hi guys, good morning. Today we're going to teach you on how to replace your high tension wire of your Toyota Corolla 2E engine. So here is our high tension cable, new one. We're going to replace the old one because there is already a spark in there. So come and join me. Hi guys, today I'm going to demonstrate to you on how to replace the old high tension wire which is already defective. We'll try to pull out this one. By the way, this engine is for Toyota Corolla 2E 12 valve. It depends on your engine. The high tension wire will also vary upon replacing it. So we'll try to pull out this high tension wire, the old one. Okay, this is the one which is connected also to one in the distributor cap. Then the second is the two. Oh no, I mean it is the three because the firing order of this Toyota 2 engine is 1342. So 1 3 4 2 connected to the distributor cap. As you can see this, so it's very brittle. Let's do a recap because there's no marking. Let's remove the distributor cap first. So let's pull out the coil. Okay. The old one has been worn out due to jump voltage, so electrical faulty wiring. This is connected to automatic. So to take a look guys, these old spark plug cables or high tension wires are already been worn out. This one, so the other one is being cut when I pulled out the wire. So let's try to pull out the third spark plug. 1 2, because it's being damaged because of the bad high tension wire. As you can see this, the tip of the contact point is being worn out. Oh, let's try to repair this one. Let's see if we can let's put some oil to remove the rust. Because it's being isolated with rust here, and I think this is worn out also. Let's try if this will be removed with the oil. I think this one is needed replacement because the tip is being damaged due to the spark, the arcing which made by the bad cable. But let's just try to put it back first so we can buy some new one. So our distributor cap is being rust. Let's try to putting oil here because it's being isolated with rust due to the arcing because of the bad high tension wire. Clean up this one using this. This one. It's already clean. The distributor cap terminal side is being cleaned already. Let's make this the one dry first before we install it back. Our new high tension wire, and let's try to put it back, the affected spark plug. Let's try to see if this can still work out. Okay, this is the new spark plug cable or wires, or what we call high tension wire. Let's try to connect first the coil. This one is here for the contact point of our distributor cap. Make sure that it will have contacts. The number one, this one. Number one fit here. So two. Spark plug cable number 2. Next is 3. Okay. Get to number 3. The last one. Spark plug cable number 14. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make it 1. So that's up. Connected. So you must try to understand how to connect the cable, because it can cause damage to your spark plug wires. That's all for today. I think it's all done. So let's try to start the engine. Watch guys. Oops, sorry. So that's all. The idle is now good. Thank you guys.